But part of healing the body is detoxification, because we all have been subject to environmental poisons at different times in our lives. And when ever an environmental poison comes into our body, the first place it goes is the liver.
Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of natural detoxification with the amazing Dr. Barbara O'Neill. We'll explore her top 5 herbs that can help cleanse your body and support your overall health. Let's jump right in. 1. Milk thistle. First up is milk thistle, a remarkable herb renowned for its liver protective properties. Dr. O'Neill explains that milk thistle contains a powerful compound called silymarin, which helps repair liver cells and enhances detoxification processes. This herb is particularly beneficial after periods of unhealthy eating or alcohol consumption. You can take milk thistle as a supplement, or try adding ground seeds to your morning smoothie or yogurt. Another popular way is to brew it as a tea. Just remember, consistency is key for liver support.
Lion is the king of the jungle, and I think dandelion is the king of the herbs in the garden, because dandelion is a bitter herb.
2. Dandelion. Next is the often overlooked dandelion. While many consider it a pesky weed, Dr. O'Neill highlights its detoxifying benefits. Dandelion stimulates bile production, crucial for digestion and toxin elimination. It's also a natural diuretic, helping to flush out excess water and toxins from your body. Incorporate dandelion greens into your salads or smoothies, or try dandelion root tea for a delicious and healthful drink. Did you know that the entire plant is edible? You can even roast the roots for a coffee alternative. 3. Cilantro. Let's talk about cilantro, an herb that packs a powerful detox punch. Dr. O'Neill notes that cilantro is a natural chelator, meaning it binds to heavy metals like lead and mercury, helping to remove them from your system. If you've been exposed to heavy metals, adding fresh cilantro to your meals can be incredibly beneficial. Whether you toss it in salads, blend it into smoothies, or use it as a garnish, cilantro is a versatile addition to your detox toolkit. You can also find cilantro extracts or tinctures in health stores if you prefer concentrated options. 4. Garlic. Next, we have garlic, a kitchen staple that doubles as a powerful detox ally. Rich in sulfur compounds, particularly allicin, garlic supports liver detox pathways and aids in the elimination of heavy metals. Dr. O'Neill suggests incorporating fresh, chopped garlic into your cooking. Let it sit for about 10 minutes before cooking to maximize its health benefits. You can add garlic to soups, stews, roasted vegetables, or even mix it into salad dressings. Plus, it has antimicrobial properties that can boost your immune system.
Some Celtic salt and a bit of turmeric, that's it.
Turmeric's a very powerful herb internally to get the inflammation down.
5. Turmeric. Finally, let's not forget about turmeric, often referred to as a superfood. This golden spice contains curcumin, which has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Dr. O'Neill explains that reducing inflammation is crucial for effective detoxification, as chronic inflammation can hinder your body's ability to eliminate toxins. You can easily add turmeric to your meals, whether in soups, smoothies, or rice dishes. For enhanced absorption, combine turmeric with black pepper and healthy fats, like coconut oil or olive oil. Turmeric supplements are also widely available if you're looking for a more concentrated dose. Bonus herb. Ginger. Before we wrap up, let's briefly mention ginger. This spice is not only great for digestion, but also helps alleviate nausea and supports liver function. Dr. O'Neill suggests brewing fresh ginger tea or adding grated ginger to your dishes for a spicy kick. Closing thoughts. Incorporating these herbs into your daily routine can significantly enhance your body's natural detox processes. Remember, detoxing isn't just a one-time effort, it's a lifestyle. Regularly adding these herbs will help keep your body in optimal condition, allowing you to feel your best every day. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Comment your favorite herb, or if you agree with Barbara's teachings. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.